So you can draw right on there, right on your photo. Are you erasing? Ooh, what's that doing? I think you have to push a little harder than what you were doing. You can discard. Oh, and then you go to your own album if you want. And look, oh, you can arrange them into albums.
Oh, we
Okay,
already
grab it. Oh, we already had that one.
That's
Ooh.
Miss Whitman's.
Miss Whitman's. Does it look like a picture she had?
No, it's her desk.
Oh, it's her desktop, really? Well, here, let's hit done and see what it does. Oh, okay. Oh, and then can you email it? Look at that. Look at that. That's really cool. Okay, so pull up that, I wanted to see the concierge again. Show me, remember the, I want to see the map, and show me how to get to Maryland. I think you had to double click on it to get it to come up.
Sit down here, Nick.
Here, we'll pull off in a minute. So open it up, and then pull over to Maryland. Oops. Sorry, I'm recording. So show me where Oma is. Yep. All right, kids, show me where Denver is. Can you pull it around? Go ahead and touch it and pull it around. You can turn it around, see? Watch.
You know where you are? You know where you are? You know where Denver is?
You gotta have one of you do it. So if you do this, it'll make it smaller, and then you can drag your finger over.
Found it.
Very good.